Hi everyone, welcome back to the Carver's Woodshop. We're going to do another project. This is a super Shorty Santa bottle stopper. Okay, that's one of these guys. I did 2 or 3 different ones here, like this. And that's what we're going to make out of this one here. This is actually what the honey bear is made out of, the same block. And it's about, I'll give you the dimensions, but I went ahead, before I start, I want to tell you that I went ahead and did the drawings on here close to what we're going to do. We're going to do one with the wreath, that he's holding on to a wreath. We're going to do something similar to this guy here. So the first thing we want to do is you want to get a block of wood that is, let's see, 3 inches by 1.5 inches on the bottom, just about a little over 1 inch, maybe 1 inch and 1/8 on the top square. Okay, and 1 inch and 1/8 at the top, 1.5 inch and 1/2 on the bottom, and 3 inches tall. Find a corner you like. I soaked this already in some solution of water and rubbing alcohol. I have a little jar, I just dipped it in there so it'll be easier to cut. I'm going to be using one of my Rough Rider knives. My other box is in the other room, so I'll get that in between takes here. Let's get started here. So I usually start with the hat first. You want to find a good corner. The grain is running up and down. This is basswood, if you're wondering. Make sure you have your carver's glove and thumb guard and all that good stuff on. And then you can start to carve. So let's get going here. So we have a tassel on his left, our right, and so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start chopping the top down. And you kind of take it up a little ways, that's alright. And I'm just going to do a little bit here. We're not going to do the whole thing because we're going to put that tassel in there. We want this to stick out more than over here. Alright, so let's just kind of get an idea where things are going to be going here. Alright, I'll do the sides a little bit more. And the front I'm going to start, but I'm not going to go all the way down. Now we're going to mark where the top of the nose, the hat. I usually start with the hat first. So you're going to put a line down. Okay, let's see if I can bring this up nice and close here. We're going to put a line across, and then we're going to come down. This is going to be a one eye, you know, and then bring this down and around to the back, and then bring this down along near the nose. Okay, so that's our markings. So each corner we're going to cut out a little piece of wood first, okay, to distinguish with where our corners are. You do not want to cut too far from down here up to it because you got to leave room for the nose. Okay, now the tassel hangs a little bit lower than the hat. Okay, just like what we have here. It's a little bit lower. So we're going to do the bottom of the tassel, not the bottom of the hat, because the hat's underneath the tassel. So the bottom of the tassel. So let's just do it right there. Really mark where that is. Okay, good. And over here we're going to do this again. I love making stop cuts. It really just defines things so well. This is a little bit at an angle, as you can see. Alright, we'll be right back. I forgot to clear out the tape.